Hello guys, today we will be making this beautiful hairstyle. Make the plaits tie together and your hairstyle will be ready. Next we will tie the hairs on the back like this, rotate the hairs and then we will tie all the hairs and fix it like this and your hairstyle is ready. Next we will tie the plaits on the hair like this, tie all the hairs and fix it by dividing the hairs from the between, rotate it and tie it and your hairstyle is ready. Next, we will tie the hair like this on the back, divide it into 3 sections and rotate the hairs like this. After that, we will fix it on the top and your hairstyle is ready. Next, we will tie the hairs on the back like this, rotate the hairs. Now take few sections of the hairs, fix it into the hair and it's ready. Next, we will tie the hairs like this on the back using few sections, tie it and then rotate it. Fix the hair like this and it's ready. Next, we will take few sections of the hairs from the sides, tie it and then rotate it. Fix all the hairs like this and it's ready. Next, we will tie the ponytail and make the plaits from one side, tie it and it's done. Thanks for watching.